This is the Victorinox Solo Alox. It's also called the Swiss Army 1. Let's take it out. Look at that. That is a stunner. These come in other colours, but the silver Alox is probably the best value for money. The colours are a lot more expensive. They all really do the same thing. The colours look great, I have to admit, but if you want a knife that you can use and it's functional, for the price that these are, I don't think you can go wrong. So it's a 93mm Victorinox, just a single blade. There's no keyring on it. These things are something else. They just really look great. And there you go. Nice spear shaped blade. Ideal for chopping fruit, opening stuff. Really is nice. Can't go wrong with these really. They look stunning. There's a fair old snap off the spring. I've said this a million times before. It's quite strong. When it goes back with a vengeance. Hear the click. Don't ever put your hands here. I did last week, accidentally, and I got bitten. Yeah. So that's the Pioneer Swiss Army 1, or the Solo. Beautiful knife. This came from the Virginia store on eBay. Yeah, free shipping. He's got the best prices as well, so you can't really go wrong. So look him up and get some. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and take care.